How can I improve my gut microbiome? The fastest way, the easiest way is you do juice fast. That's the fastest way. But the juice fast is not fruit juice. And it's not the pasteurized juice you buy from the grocery store. You really have to spend time, go to farmer's market, buy organic, locally grown, green vegetables. And for example, you can sweeten it with a little bit of carrots or maybe half an apple, but you want to avoid a lot of sweets. So if you can do the juice fast for 3 to 5 days, that's the fastest way you can reduce the inflammation and increase the gut microbiome health in such a fast and quick time. Also, if you don't want to do that, how about drinking or consuming a lot of kimchi, a lot of sauerkraut, fermented vegetables, or fermented dairy. But the dairy, you want to do raw, unpasteurized dairy. So you can buy unpasteurized raw kefir, which is a fermented dairy, from some of the grocery stores. Mother's has it, Sprouts has it, Lazy Acres, in some areas they have Lazy Acres, they have it. Whole Foods used to have it, but they don't have it anymore. But that's a wonderful one. Or you can buy your own raw milk and then make your own fermented kefir. Another beautiful fermented dairy is yogurt, and it has to be a homemade yogurt. And Bravo yogurt, if you go to search for Bravo yogurt, it actually gives you a link. You can either purchase the Bravo yogurt that is made for you, or it comes in the packets that you can mix the packets in your raw milk and you can make your own Bravo yogurt. And that has hundreds and thousands of beneficial bacteria. That's a very quick way to increase your gut microbiome. Another way, there are Bravo suppositories that you could also purchase from a source, and those are also wonderful quick way to increase the variety of your microbiome. That's what you want. You want to improve the gut microbiome by increasing the variety, not just by adding a few of a lot of a few bacteria. It's really a symbiotic relationship between the bacteria, the viruses, the fungi that you have growing in your gut that you want to improve. That's your overall microbiome, all the microbes, not just the bacteria. And the raw Bravo yogurt can accommodate you for that. A fermented vegetable, the broth of the fermented vegetable can accommodate that for you.